VIP trading indicators are some of the most powerful trading indicators in the world. You see, VIP indicators aren't like any other indicators out there. VIP indicators use advanced, powerful methods to constantly predict market direction anytime, anywhere, 24/7. On average, some of the VIP indicators can make up to 93% profit on a consistent basis. All of the VIP trading indicators have been designed and developed by top expert traders, allowing you to simply add the indicators to your chart and let the indicators do all the hard work for you every single day. Getting started is extremely simple. Even if you have no trading experience, it does not matter. Our indicators will do all the work for you. They will tell you when to buy, where to take profit, and where to place your stop loss every day, 24/7. The indicators do all the complex work, allowing you to simply add them to your chart and take trades whenever you want, while they automatically find you the most profitable trades to take. Since 2015, we've been perfecting our trading indicators. We've made sure they deliver the best results for all the VIP indicator members worldwide. We make sure the indicators are constantly giving out the highest profits as possible. Using VIP indicators allows you to see the future. It draws out exactly where the market is heading. It shows you where it will be going, allowing you to constantly make profit from each move. You can use VIP indicators on any device and any time frame, from the 1 minute to the monthly charts. It does not matter. Any market, any time frame, 24/7. Here are all the indicators you'll get for just $1 today. Plus, get live access to the private Telegram group where you can see constant updates on the most profitable trades for the day. Get access to everything now, all for just $1 at VIPindicators.com.